The ultimate dashcam solution for your Land Rover Discovery, the FITCAMX integrated system. Today I want to show you a premium purpose-built dashcam solution for your Land Rover Discovery. I've got one. This isn't just another stick-on camera, it's designed specifically for your vehicle to give you a seamless factory-look installation with best-in-class features. Why dashcams matter? Protection, peace of mind and evidence. In today's driving world, having a quality dashcam isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Whether it's capturing evidence in an accident, deterring theft or vandalism, or even recording scenic journeys, a dashcam gives you reliable footage when it matters most. This one's tailored for the Land Rover Discovery and it matches the fit and finish. This FitCamx Dashcam isn't a universal unit, it's custom designed for the Land Rover Discovery 4. It integrates seamlessly with your existing mirror and console area, preserving that OEM aesthetic and ensuring a clean factory fit look with no dangling wiring or suction cups, which I hate, especially when they drop off your windscreen when you're doing 70 up the motorway. It has superior video quality, 4K UHD front recording and optional dual cam setup. Choose the level of coverage you want, from a high quality 4K front camera to dual camera options that include a rear 1080p module. These cameras deliver crystal clear footage, capturing fine detail like number plates, road signs, and even a cyclist with a cat on his shoulder, and unexpected events on the road. Plug and play OEM-style wiring. No A-pillar removal, no fitting a lead, all under your headlining, down the A-pillar, down the side of the dash, underneath the dash, to the centre console, up the side of the centre console, and then have a lead with a cigarette lighter plug coming out into your centre console. One of the biggest frustrations with aftermarket dashcams is messy installation. The FitCamX unit uses a plug and play power method that draws from the auto dimming rearview mirror or overhead console with fully hidden wiring. No cutting into fuse boxes, no cigarette lighter cables, no visible clutter. You don't know it's there. Smart features for everyday use. G-sensor, loop recording, built-in Wi-Fi and app control. This system comes loaded with features people expect in a modern dashcam. It locks footage on impact or sudden braking, loop recording, continuous overwrite so you never run out of space. View, download and share your video straight to your phone without wires. With a wide angle lens up to 160 degrees on the front and 140 on the rear. It has an f1.6 aperture. This dashcam records smooth clear footage even in challenging light conditions. It's built to work with your Land Rover's electrical system, powering on and off automatically with your vehicle. The FitCamX unit offers multiple configurations, from single cam 4K front units with included 64GB card to dual cam setups with expanded storage of up to 128GB, giving you flexibility based on how much covering and recording time you want. It has the original equipment manufacturer look, tailored fit and seamless integration. You can fit it in a few minutes. Real world use cases. I was going to take my mate to the airport a few weeks ago, 3 o'clock in the morning, driving through Preston to pick him up, and there was a drunken guy walking along the pavement towards me. I am on this side, and all of a sudden he just staggered sideways and went straight into the road. I was in a car that didn't have a dashcam. If I'd have knocked him over, you know, I don't know what would have happened. Dashcams are invaluable when you need them most, whether capturing an incident for an insurance claim, disproving staged accidents, which happen a lot these days, or simply documenting your adventures in stunning quality. Enhance your discovery with FitCamx Dashcam. Ooh. I've done a couple of these videos for FitCam, and I must say they are my preferred dashcam. I always put one in every car I drive, and the reason I do that is because I don't really like things in the windscreen, in my view, and dashcams tend to be kind of stick on and so on. I like the original equipment look, or where you can't see them, You know, they're not obtrusive. You forget they're there, but when you need them, you don't forget they're there. They're the first thing you turn to. I mean, without a dash cam, who would have believed that a lad on a bicycle with a cat sat on his shoulder nearly ran into me, coming the wrong way down a one-way street? Can you imagine that insurance claim form without photographic evidence? A video? He did what? And how long have you been seeing things like that, Mr. Crampton? So let's have a look what we get here. We'll drop that out. Very important. That's how to download the app, get support. Hopefully we won't need that. So we'll take the first bit out. That's looking like it's going to be the surround. That's it. There's a little blue thing on there, a lens protector. Need to take that off. That's it, there's the wire. So that, hopefully, it's the right one. Goes over there. Then we've got the accessories. There we go. So there's your little plastic pry bar. That's your adapter for the little SD card, micro SD card that's in the camera. And that's there we go. That's the adapter for this particular car. So that goes in there, and this will plug in here. Let's set about getting this off. So that's easy enough, that splits like so. And off with that. We need to be able to see. That's looking like that plugs in there. And then that goes in the camera. Unplug that. Plug that in. Plug that in to there, like so, and then this to here. Turn on the ignition. Have we got any lights? Yep, we've got a light there. So that means it'll just need pairing now. Cam like so, open that, click plus, click next. I'm just going to go back to settings, go to Wi-Fi, car cam, there we go. So we'll go on to car cam, and I think the password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That's it, so that's it connected. Onto FitCam. Allow FitCam to find devices on local network. Allow. Connect to FitCam. Should have already done it, gone back. Access FitCam. And there we go. There's Johnny walking past, but that's it, it's working already. It's as quick as that to fit. Now all I have to do is put this onto the mirror. I'm just going to put that over that side. The two sides round here and tuck the wires in, and that's it. Job's a good one. What, 5-10 minutes? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.